We're still here on these fractions. We're going to mix it up. So we're going to do, we did add in, now we're going to do some subtraction. But we have like a mixed number, take away a normal, standard kind of fraction. So let's try that. 7 and 1 over 2, 7.5. 7 and 1 over 2, take away 1 over 2. So the first thing we have to do is change this mixed number into an improper fraction. Let's do that. 2 times 7. So say your tables, your 2 times table, since you know that, when you work out 2 times 7, we'll take it from there. So we're going through again. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, like that. Go on. When you figure out 2 times 7, you tell me. Or you can just say 2 times 7 is 7 plus 7. Whatever is easier for you. 7 plus 7. How much? 13. Is 13 an odd or an even number? Odd number. If I multiply by 2, should I be getting an odd number or an even number as my result? Even number. So let's try that again. 7 plus 7. I already have 7. I'm counting the next 7 numbers. I'm starting with the number after 7 using my fingers. When I have up 7 fingers, I will stop counting. Give me 7 plus 7, please. 14, good boy. I was 14 plus 1. 15. So our improper fraction is going to be 15 over 2, subtract 1 over 2. Simple. Of course, our answer is going to be over 2. So it's 15 take away 1. What is 15 take away 1? Good boy. So our answer is 14 over 2. That even works so as 7, right? 14 over 2 equals 7. Because 14 can be divided by 2. Okay? All right. Let's do another one. Subtracting. Let's try. Oh, this is going to be a big one. I think that's too big, actually. It's too big. All right, let's try 9 and 1 over 2. Take away 2 over 10. 9 and 1 over 2. Take away 2 over 10. So once again, the first thing we do will be to change this into an improper fraction. So tell me 2 nines now, or 9 plus 9. Good boy, Joshua. 18 plus 1. 19. So this is going to become 19 over 2 as an improper fraction. 19 over 2, take away 2 over 10. So when we look at the numbers at the bottom, Joshua, what do we notice? Do we have the same numbers at the bottom or do we have different numbers? Different numbers. So what we need to do so that we will get the same number at the bottom, Joshua? We have to find our LCM. So our LCM is going to be a number that 10 can go into the number and 2 can go into the number. I will just give the answer since he doesn't know his tables. The answer will be 10. So 2 into 10. 10 divided by 2 will give us 5. Will give us, oh Lord, this is going to be so big. This is going to be a big able number. 10 divided by 2 will give us 5. 2 by 5. I multiply 2 by 5 to get 10. I multiply 19 by 5. That's going to be so big. Big able number. They give me in this question, man. That's 95. All right. 10 goes into 10 one time. I multiply 10 by 1 to get 10. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. I multiply 2 by 1. So it's 95, take away 2. That's a big about, give me a big about 95 in the book, man. This is the book I'm using today. Caribbean Primary Maths. Yeah. It's level 5. Level 5. I guess that's supposed to be like class 4. All right, 95, and I'm just counting backwards two times. What number comes before 95? 94. What number comes before 94? 93. 93. Terrible the mass, you know you hear it? 93. So our answer is 93 over 10. We're going to do one more in the subtraction and then we're done with math for today. And I will let mommy and daddy know the position with Joshua in this math and this spreadsheet. Oh yes, oh yeah. All right, let me see. All right, this is going to be another big number, but I can do it. 8 and 9 over 10. Subtract 6 and 2 over 5. So we have two mixed numbers. We got to fix all two of these. All right, let me go along with this fast, Joshua Boo. 8 multiplied by 10, or 10 multiplied by 8, that's 80. Plus 9 will give me 89. That's going to be 89 over 10. You help me now. 6 by 5. You can count in fives, Joshua. Let's count in fives, and we just hold up our 6 fingers. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Good boys. 30 plus 2. What's 30 plus 2? 32. So we got 32 over 5. I tell you that is big numbers. 32 over 5. That's all right. We're not intimidated by big things, by big numbers. I see I did a video there when I was teaching lessons to Timara, and I said, everything in my life must be big, you know? Where did I say that? I don't remember. Oh, I was playing a maths game with her, so I had it held up, and it was big. I said it's bigger than what's online. Because everything in my life must be big, I'm not shrinking. But I want you to know, don't be intimidated by big things. Big things can be handled or solved in bite-sized chunks. Just pick away, I solve this part, then I solve this part, and I chip away, I chip away, I chip away. That sounds like a song, maybe. All right, so we have 89 over 10. Take away 32 over 5. What's going to be our LCM? It's going to be 10. How many times can 10 go into 10? One time. I multiply 10 by 1 to get 10. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. I multiply my 89 by 1. So I have 89, subtract. I multiply my 5 by 2 to get 10. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. So I have 89, take away 64. Let me write that here like a sum. 8, 9, subtract 6, 4 equals, was 9 take away 4, Joshua? 9 take away 4. Good boy. Was 8 take away 6? Well, excuse me. Who went sleep late? Auntie, who real hard here sometimes? Auntie, who gonna do better? Auntie. Eight take away 6. Tell me, Joshua Bull. Tell me, bright boy. Was 8 take away 6? 2. Good boy. So our answer is going to be 25 over 10. We can leave it big like that, or we can bring it down to a mixed number, 25 over 10. That is going to be 2 and 5 over 10. All right, Joshua. That's it for maths. That's it, yeah. That's it. That's it for maths.